First, taking a foundation that matches your skin tone, blend it evenly all over the face. Don't forget to blend down the neck. Now taking a concealer that is slightly lighter than your skin tone, apply it underneath the eyes, along the bridge of the nose and across the middle of the forehead and chin. Now take a matte setting powder and apply it all over the face. Applying a generous amount of loose powder underneath the eyes before applying eyeshadow helps collect any fallout. Next, take a light brown eyeshadow and apply it to the crease of the eye using a windshield wiper motion. Now take that same colour and blend it along the lower lash line. Now taking a dark brown eyeshadow, apply it to the outer corners of the eyelid. Don't forget to blend this well into the other colour. Now lightly brush off the bake from the under eyes. Next, take a light shimmery eyeshadow and apply it to the brow bone, the middle of the eyelid and the inner corner of the eye. Next, take a liquid eyeliner and apply a thin line to the upper lash line. Now apply a generous amount of mascara to the upper and lower lashes. Now apply your false eyelashes. Please note that this step is optional. After brushing through your eyebrows, take an eyebrow pencil that matches the shade of your eyebrows and lightly fill them in. Now take a bronzer and apply it to the perimeters of the face. Next, apply blusher to the apples of the cheeks. Take a highlighter and apply it to the tops of the cheekbones, along the bridge of the nose and to the cupid's bow. Lastly, apply a bright red lipstick. Once you're finished, your makeup should look something like this.